See, we're discussing the topic is optical path. Optical path. See, let us consider two different mediums. See, this is the one medium. So, what is considered this is one of the medium. This is considered the medium. In medium, we are considered the 2 points, A point, and this is considered the B point. This medium of refractive index we consider the nu. This medium of the refractive index what is considered by the nu, and its distance we consider the d. See, when a light that travel A to B point, takes some time. When a light is traveling from A to B point in a medium, this take the some time. And we consider the another medium. See, another medium is nothing but is considered the vacuum. What is considered by the vacuum? So this is a vacuum. The points we are considered A dash and B dash. This is a 2 point. See, again this light can be passing through A dash to B dash in same time. That means in a medium, the how much of the time taken to travel by there, the same time taken to travel in a vacuum also. Vacuum also. See, the shortest distance between any 2 points, A and B, any 2 points A and B or A dash and B dash, is called geometric. What is called this name? Geometric path, or also is called as the optical path. See, the shortest distance between any 2 points, that's A and B, is called geometric path, or also is called as the optical path. This optical path or geometric path is independent of medium. See, what is the geometric path independent of medium. Now, see, it is defined as distance traveled by light, in vacuum. See, there is the distance traveled by light in vacuum is the same time in which it travel a given path length in that medium. See, what is here? It is defined as the distance traveled by a light. The distance traveled by a light in vacuum is that same in which it traveled given the length of that medium. That means the both having take the same time interval. Then we are considering by here this distance. The distance traveled by light in medium. Distance traveled by a light in a medium, distance traveled by a light in a medium. Now this medium of the distance we consider by the x. How much is considered by this x? X is the distance. Then at time t, how much of the time taken by the t time of the taken by the travel by the distance. But we know the optical path is equal to distance traveled by light. Distance traveled by light. Distance traveled by light in air or medium. In time, how much is taken by air? T time interval is taken by there. Now its refractive index. Yesterday we discussing about this refractive index. Nu is equal to velocity of air by velocity of medium. Velocity of air by velocity of medium, because of the refractive index is inversely proportional to the velocity. Then we can write that this refractive index is equal to velocity of air by velocity of medium. Then we can write the velocity. Velocity is equal to, what is the formula? Is distance by time. We can write the distance by time. This is an air by all divided by distance by time. So where is taken by in a medium, because of what is the formula? Velocity is equal to distance by time. Now here the both of them time will be same. What is it? That the time is a same. Then the time can be gets cancelled. The time can be gets cancelled. Remaining what is it? The refractive index nu is equal to distance in air by distance. What is taken by here? The medium. Distance air by distance in medium. Now we can find out the distance in air is equal to, we taken by the cross multiplication. The distance in air, take the cross multiplication. The distance in air is equal to refractive index into distance in medium. See, the distance in air is called as the optical length. What is called this? An optical length, or say the optical path. So what is called as an optical path is equal to the refractive index into the distance in medium. How much of the distance is there? Is an x. How much of the distance is there? Is an x is the distance. This is the formula of here. What is the optical path is equal to? Optical path is equal to refractive index into distance. Then we can find the time taken by light in air. What we can find? The time taken by light in air. The time, what is the formula? Time is equal to distance by velocity. Distance by velocity. Then the distance. What is the distance for the formula? The distance is nothing but equal to the optical path nu into x. Nu into x by the velocity. Where is taken by the velocity in? We take the air. That velocity of in air. Which formula? Which letter to denote by there is in a C. That is the velocity of light in air. That is a constant value. 3 into 10 power of 8 meter per second. Then we can write here the T is equal to nu into x by c. Nu into x by c. This is the formula of a. The time taken by the light in air. The T is equal to nu x by c. Nu is equal to refractive index. Refractive index. And x is nothing but to optical, or say the distance. What is here? The distance in medium. Distance in medium. C is equal to velocity of velocity of light. Velocity of light.